Managing blood sugar is crucial for individuals with diabetes, and breakfast is a great place to start. Here are 6 delicious and diabetes-friendly breakfast ideas that focus on protein, fiber, and healthy fats while keeping carbs in check. Blueberry chia pudding. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3s, offering a low-carb option that helps stabilize blood sugar. Adding blueberries boosts antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. One serving provides 350 calories, 13 grams protein, 24 grams fat, 14 grams carbs, and 16 grams fiber. Multigrain avocado. Toast. Avocados are rich in fiber and healthy fats, perfect for managing blood sugar. Top multigrain toast with avocado for a filling breakfast. Add an egg for extra protein. One slice with half an avocado provides 257 calories, 6.9 grams protein, 16.3 grams fat, and 11.2 grams fiber. Low-carb pancakes. Made with buckwheat dry mix, these pancakes offer a low-carb alternative to traditional pancakes. Topped with fresh fruit or sugar-free syrup, they provide 340 calories, 10.9 grams protein, 1.92 grams fat, and 1 gram fiber. Eggs. High in protein and low in carbs, eggs are a great choice for diabetes management. Enjoy them scrambled, poached, or in an omelet with veggies like spinach and peppers. A large egg provides 71.5 calories, 6.3 grams of protein, and no fiber. Low-carb smoothies. Blend avocado, unsweetened almond milk, Greek yogurt, and vanilla extract for a creamy, low-carb smoothie. This option contains 254 calories, 15.1 grams protein, 16.4 grams fat, and 7 grams fiber. Add a natural sweetener like stevia for extra sweetness. Greek yogurt with blueberries. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, making it perfect for blood sugar control. Pair with blueberries for added fiber and antioxidants. A 7-ounce serving provides 188 calories, 1.77 grams fiber, and essential nutrients. These breakfast ideas offer a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, helping to manage blood sugar while keeping meals satisfying. Remember, consistency is key in managing diabetes, so try to incorporate these foods into your routine for balanced nutrition. For more tips on diabetes-friendly foods and healthy living, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. Stay healthy and manage your blood sugar effectively.